Good morning. In previous class, we studied about physical features and unique nature and political divisions of India. In this class, we'll study about climate, seasons of India. Climate, it's a regular pattern of weather conditions of a particular place. So, different place will have different weather conditions. Based on that, we call it as climate. The population strength of the place depends on the great extent of its climate. So, if it is a good climate, we stay there. So, all the people with a good condition or a good climate will helps the people to live there. Their dress, lifestyle, diet, etc. will all depends on the climate of people depend on the climate of place where they live. So this climate affects the people's lifestyle. They adjust their lifestyle to the changes in the weather condition of that place. Based on the condition, weather how it changes, the lifestyle also changes. Here you can see different pictures where people are wearing different clothes and different way of living and all. India, even though a small country in terms of area, holds a large population mainly because of suitable tropical monsoon and pleasant climate. So here monsoon means rainy, good rainy season and pleasant climate. There is a large population in India. Coming to seasons in India, we generally experience three types of climate conditions in India. So in India, majorly we experience three types. One is the cold, which we call it as winter, the hot season, which we call it as summer, and the monsoon, which is a rainy season. In India, majorly it is three: winter, summer, and monsoon. So, coming to the first one, winter. During this season, it is generally cold throughout the country. So, in winter season, it will be cold all over the country. The season begins in November and ends in March. The temperature decrease as one moves from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. So, from topmost state Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the temperature is varies. Here the days are short and nights are longer in this season. South India is warmer compared to north due to its nearness of the sea. So as we saw in the previous pictures, South India is covered by here. South India is covered by water maximum, so it will be little warmer compared to the north. The northern states of India experience extreme cold as they are far away from seas. The northernmost states are Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh receive a snowfall due to the high latitude. So they are very much high from the sea level. So they receive snowfall. The month of January records the lowest temperature during winters in India. So during January, when there is a winter season, the temperature will be very low. Coming to the second, summer season. The cold winter gradually shifts to spring and then to the summer when it comes to the warmer. So, from winter it changes to spring and then to summer. There is an increase in temperature beginning from month of March. So, the summer season starts from March. The northern plains records the highest temperature as they are located far away from the sea. Again, north will have high temperature. The coastal plains receive a hot and humid climate due to the rapid evaporation of seawater. So when there is more sun rays, the water gets evaporated. So coastal plains which are near to the sea and ocean will have hot and humid climate. The hot local wind from the desert of Rajasthan called Lu blew towards western Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. So in this time the hot wind which is blowing from Rajasthan, it blow towards Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. The summer season lasts till June. Till June the summer season will be there. Then coming to the monsoon, the special feature of Indian climate is that winds change their direction from season to season. In summer, the winds blow from sea to land, carrying lots of water vapor and splash as rain. So here you can see in this one, the wind which is in summer, the wind blows from sea to land. So that is called southwest monsoon. In winter, the wind receives the blow from land to sea and rainfall is less. So here in the northeast monsoon, the land wind will blow from land to sea. That is called northeast monsoon. Coming to the southwest monsoon winds start from the Indian Ocean. Here the south part of the India is called Indian Ocean, and it enters India by the beginning of June every year. The wet shape is the V shape of India in south divides the monsoon into two branches. It divides into two places. One is Arabian Sea branch and one is Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch of monsoon breaks the west coast in June, so it enters in June. It brings cooler but more humid weather, heavy rain at this coast. So as you all see nowadays in the coastal areas they are getting more rain, and here it reaches South Asia by first week of July. So here it reaches this part by July. The other branch, which is known as Bay of Bengal branch, moves northward and spreads all over the Assam by first week of June. So giving heavy rain to the Garo, Kasi Hill region, Monsoon in Chirapunji. So these are the places due to the Bay of Bengal branch gets heavy rain, and Chirapunji is the highest rainfall in India. So Chirapunji is a place where highest rainfall is recorded. On crossing to the Great Himalayan region, it is deflated. When it reaches Himalaya, it is reduced and westward towards Delhi. The two branches now merge as a single current, bringing rains in the remaining parts of North India in July. So here this Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, when it Arabian Sea is going towards like this and Bay of Bengal is coming, when it reaches the Himalaya, it stops there and it comes back, and again it comes towards Delhi in the mid of July. The monsoon rain is very important for agriculture and prediction of arrival of monsoon in early waited by farmers. So as you all seen, you might have heard, farmers will be eagerly waiting for rainy season to start the growing of crops. Most parts of our country receive rainfall from northwest monsoon during the month of June to September. So during the June to September, they grow the crops and they'll be waiting for the rainy season. Retreating southwest monsoon. Around the month of September, the sun retreats southward. The northern part of India begins to cool rapidly. The air pressure begins to build over the North India. This causes cold winds to cross over the Himalayas and move towards the south of Deccan Plateau. This is retreating monsoon. Hingaru, Mungaru anta kelidira. So that is called retreating monsoon. When it reaches Himalaya, it comes back, that is retreating monsoon. This monsoon, while traveling towards Indian Ocean, picks up the moisture from Bay of Bengal and pours as a rain in a peninsular India. So peninsular means southern part. It picks up the rain water from Bay of Bengal and makes it as a rain. The state on the eastern coast, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, gets less rainfall in southwest monsoon but heavy rainfall in retreating monsoon and during the months of October and November. So these are the two different branches of winds which are carrying the rainfall. Then northeast monsoon, winds that blow from land to sea during rain during the December and January. So this is about monsoon. So coming to the do you know part. The mountain ends in North America is the longest mountain range in the world. So in South American continent there is a Mount Ends, which is a high longest mountain. China is the most populous country in the world. So populous means mostly populated, means highest population in the world. Maldives, which is very near island, one of our neighbor island, is a group of islands. So you have to read, let's recall. Thanks for the day, and we'll discuss about the question and answer in the next class.